In today's episode, we will be reviewing how to install and remove the 2K Power Shutoff Tip Kit on the Voltex Dynamic Mix Valve. Before installing, ensure the controller power switch is turned off. To begin installation, join the tip valve and needle together and place into the 2K shutoff block, making sure the tip valve is turned horizontally, which is the off position. Slide the mixer into the shroud and insert the mixer shroud. Screw the mixer shroud into the shutoff kit and tip valve. Attach the mixer to the mixer adapter and screw the mixer shroud onto the Voltex valve. Clamp the 2K power shutoff onto the mixer shroud by turning the thumb screw clockwise. Install the tip valve cover onto the block and tighten by hand. To complete integration, follow the cable connection procedures outlined in the Voltex manual based upon the valve and system configuration that matches your setup. The Voltex 2K Power Shutoff is now ready for use. To begin removal of the 2K Power Shutoff kit from the Voltex valve, turn the thumb screw to loosen the shroud and unscrew the shroud mixer to remove the components from the Voltex valve. Remove the tip valve cover. Disassemble mixer components and dispose of consumable components, in this case the mixer and the tip valve. Wipe down any remaining material from the valve components. Removal procedure is now complete. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Graco Garage, and we'll see you next time. For more information on the Graco Dynamic Mix Valve, please visit graco.com/Voltex